sa milo da jisu no mi da sok mi po ni amen.
Hello, Rupai. Hello, Rupai. How are you feeling tonight? Okay. You make up the Ntum Gotongali, you Kayakishi, you Legishi, Gala, you Ningishi Midley. Rupai we Shankuna, Akshida the Hankale. Tonight, I'm with us. The Ajava, Sorintan Haure, the Hosara. So, tonight I'm gonna be with us. Okay? Rupai Gatum now long way. 56th General Conference come Sports, Cultural and Literary Meeting Sunlaga Miss Rupai 2022. Ngahangida Leda Klaylin Tumsai really welcome sadly. Program he Rupai Gatum now long na organized mine powered and managed by How Media. How Media he entertainment company akane founder and owner he Queer Rock Long Lang ne. Itum na teja Rupai we miss contest kasagi down cool we ramli machan la kahaya event akane down cool now ting ting na young laga even down cool makaning bing na young I la kahaya event akane jena ajava ayasagi ne program hi itum outdoor amphitheater jili palaglum lalak sagi ka jingyet na masaga baiwang ach post sponsor laga achla itum na masaga baiwang community hall hili kazibda kleine however Rimpala kaya event ngasara gaji gaji hanshit kasang ne aji hi bad weather le salala the Tangkul Express na live stream sami de le Tangkul Expressway YouTube channel li yang milo itu na live anjili yang kongrum sampang se sampang ra regional itu mi zone li miss kagapang li live stream sa kami Rupai miss hina kare ngasad le re de shit sange so it is a big achievement the hangai aji hi 18 finalists kapang kwedele judges pingna achkomwe Miss Rupai contest si mahala kai na sa sa jo with the audition la salaga la show khamta ta ka chung kharai chung chaili mi thra da chisha thi finalists sa da kapang kwedele athuna armeli shokra ithum mangali rounds la ka chung khale la ka shok sa je thera hi alungli arma akublamli Miss Rupai 2022 hi kipan atakla ji ithumna Taigo kui sampangra ajikumwi prize la matalagai na mahalagai na ngaran medley winnerly 1 lakh rupees mira first runner up li 30,000 rupees mira second runners up li 20,000 rupees mira kala ashigutumli crown sash bouquet kala hamper la ngaran mi kidley jana prizes matalagai leidley jimang maning la subtitles leidley photogenic catwalk fusion personality kala beautiful smile dala ngaran medley atumli 5,000 rupees each mira redeem sire kla yaripin Miss Rupai 2022 yangrung vai redeem sire kla masana rangla kasigna dala ra da shitsang ai lumai mamanore itum program ya alungzang maman jena aj Miss Kapangi ji da leader clearly, matai mai tui ji mi phu ashimati leader le ashimati na mushun makui yang meng sara aju program hile jaina itum program mi mataranga ashimati li welcome sa quick vaisa se ina atumli avu aina introduce sami ke judges pingjina atumwe apam hira khui mi local yaruli chakmai lakha hangji thei mi rono Rumai kapda kuirumvu Felicita Shongva President Mavan Social Impact Enterprises ana apomli karami laga sit ki karakhi mirano yarina pangkak phenang so welcome sami se ning shere kanya sada kuir khuyui ruleng advisor Tangkul Music Forum yarina pangkak phenang so welcome sami se kakatuma sada Quirimla Lumpem Vashum, Indian Information Service Officer of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Kamatia Sada, Quira Songashim Rungsung, Mr. Rubaru India 2021. ning shere ashimatina achui mushun mukui yang me being Sarah. Okay, ara itumna ngalama talak hai asho alep unglak hai ashi traditionally welcome sakui vaisa se itum kutong na pangak pian ng soda contestants traditionally welcome sakui se. Contestants pingli ngarai mo mandalay laga ina aju event partners ping yaruli hang tengai leye grooming partners si queer songshim rungsung aina queerum la AR Mating na samile queerum la AR Mating hi Miss Manipur 2019 une subtitles si sponsor hi ES Technotech Pongoitang ashi hi electrical and electronic sales and service li deal sae hiwi akwanava queer Edward Shimra he Kolkata diploma in engineer kuye ahi pe kuwe nane kala achui give hampers ila kanishina sponsor samidlaye herbs and me aina jingran foods na samidlaye sound and light hi GES sound info na sponsor samidlaye official photo shoot hi Tinpei studio photography videography in a creative studio na samidlaye printing partners is Sachiri Enterprise, Bouquet na Aran Florist, Tapui Masna, Shas Designer Samidleye, live video coverage the Tangkul Express na Kuimidleye. Tum Saikor Ning Shik Junga Pongshok delay na Tumi Manga na event hi successful Sadley. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the 18 finalists of the Miss Ripoy 2022.
If you want my love, you gotta do what it does. If you want these sweet like sugar Gucci lips, you gotta give it up. I know you think I'm cool. If you want my love, you gotta do what it does. If you want these sweet like sugar Gucci lips, you gotta give it up. I know you think I'm cool, but I am one of the boys. No, don't be scared that I'm gonna tie you down. I need a little more. Baby, don't call me your friend. If I hear that word again, you might never get a chance to see me naked in your bed. And I know girls ain't hard to find, but if you think you wanna try, then consider this an invitation to kiss my ass goodbye.
Those are the 18 contestants of Miss Replay 2022. I will be reading out the names of the contestants one after another. Let us welcome them one after another again. Contestant number 1, Very Peace Longlang. Contestant number 10, Levin Lui Tui of Langdang Village.
Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. I'm wearing Cuban links, designer mix, Inglewood's finest shoes.
Contestant number 11, Caroline Shimmery of Sihai Kuno Village.
I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up.
Contestant number 12, Dudley Shimrang of Bay Village.
Moon,
Contestant number 13, Heyala Shang of Shiroi Village.
Gangsters, bad bitches and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach, I cannot preach. I gotta show them how I can get it in. First, take your sip, do your dip, spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, ooh, we too fresh. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me.
Contestant number 14, Cecilia Zimik of Luirei Shimpong Village.
So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air.
Contestant number 15, Beauty Shongpa of Tomasong Kyango Village.
Look out. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Now, watch me break it down like that.
Contestant number 16, Bami Zinkai of Mahui Village.
Come on now. 24 karat, 24 karat magic. Don't fight the feeling, invite the feeling. Just put your known to give the color red the blues. Woo, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up.
Ladies and gentlemen, shall we give a bigger round of applause for all the contestants? Thank you. Rupai ngalai hiwa so kamiya ngalai ne gije itum hen la shan kui de le ngala hia ka khamtha kala so lep khong ngala hia ka lei de klei Rupai ringphang yem ning la. All right. Alright, itumna second round. Contestants being second round he traditional round ngasara atumna atum wishan vai jon vai shin kui de le ga itum aroi lang anam krum vai sa se. So, without further ado, I would like to welcome Kuirumla Yershim Ungsek to come to the stage and perform special numbers to us. Itum sai koron na Yershim Ungsek li welcomes ha ku ser se ana itum niralka Lara Samira.
Check. Music jack je kong miang la, ilazat ngay re. Original la, kum tamangay da ishaki jikyage. Tasala. Take a mission money, yeah? La now be wrong. Still the one you saw me. Check. Check. Check, check.
Look out far with all my pain.
We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They say they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. We still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. We're still the one I want for life. We're still the one that I love, the only one I dreams of. We're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We've been so hard together. I'm glad we did listen. We got a one, we won't be missing. They say they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. We're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dreams of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we meet. Look how far we've come on, baby. Thank you. Check. Safalojile. It's so heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hits you when it's too late, hits you when we're tired. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a cold rain, feeling like a god. miss you when it's too late. Miss you when we're done.
Kuirumla Yershim Seglik Junga Ningshile Rupai La Shione, very talented. No we future Tame Mahamirano, itum Tonglin and Atamujida entertains Hamishin Jiwang Junga Ningshi. Aritumna, second round Mayang Pok Mayang Jaurang Laga, Rupai Kitam long way, President Queer Somibum of a Shumli, Atoming Idle, and Atomli Apomli Raga, or Atamrakui Mirano.
Good evening, everyone. Ringpaya. Okay, Zingyat na itum li shikudai salila. Itum program set sagaiji monota pai mera da by any means itum hi ngazi lagai salila program hi open space li yauri crowd tung the pool masa salila hili azay nya hi program hi mukup sangan ka singha dalai az Rupai Miss Contest with Chief Case. Ishi Oja Briso, MK Briso Shimre, ex-deputy MLA, PGP intending candidate 45 AC Li Sangai Sane, Ka Model Code of Conduct with Aina Morabai to the as our close allies, our commissioner. So now or our commissioner worker akali Jora Midley Ojali Kchunga Nixie program he fulfill some fighter aya cancer size Allah azan lat reader program he fulfill some fighter rang room delay ahia itum repaili service sangaina mikai repaik them along service sangla mikai former general secretary la sadley amai sorry so yang yana action ngamirno Ponda amaina ponda stage waka kamila. Ishi rupaina tangkurwi kangja itu chief case akara gijon ngai mi chief case akara ngai mi kernau kara gijon ngai mi gijon hi amai wi amirali tung na highly re jana as gijon mi mai tum na ngate hang khai aga item sa ga gzei hi milga ot sawa khwai wang manga z khwai dis ngran me le jena ji shi ngran khai ba ji kushok mirno Ning Shinaire, I sorry so young Yali, program fulfill Sakamiva. Next, Aling Sora Midekle, Ponde introduce me okay. Amay said Shimra, Convener Media 45 Chingai PJB. Amay lila itum na memento ako ran mi le amay la kwimino. Okay, Nishnare Ameset Lila. And then next, Ngaranso Kare, Vistara Yukru in charge PJB. Tang ranson nala momento na okay shok milo ning sinara. Ning sinare tang ranson lila. And nextly Jibemi Rayama, General Secretary in charge, Mandal PGP. Adon la hiwa kashok milo, momento na kashok nan khimilo. Nextly, Livingston A. Shimroy. Adon la hiwa kashok binter momento na kashok nan khimilo. Nextly, Grover SK. Nan la hiwa kashok der memento na kashok nan khimilo. Nish naire, ishi Adam itum round avuli Adam kuiman laga introduce la some iman khaisara laga ishi we chief case la next round le Adam mi khaisara.
Thank you, Mr. President. Yeah, Riping. Traditional round yang kawai ready msarikla. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Rupay ngalay hiwa ngashan shangla kahai akhane da ngazeke. Kala chi khamushung la mushung da lay re. Are we contestants chada chishatina? Rupay we shangla kahai traditional attire pinche sanglaga itumle aru hili workshop chate re kala atumna atumwe amingla introduce shok samire na tumna yanglaga no na katom ngai da klei pawo ji shok de lega. Talain cheer samilo ituring phalang welcome sami say Jena. Without further ado, let us all give a round of applause and welcome the contestants for the traditional round.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Verbi Slongling. I'm 20 years old. I'm from a hilly and historical place called Punjab village in the northern region of Ukhrul district, Manipur. I'm pursuing BSc second year at St. Joseph College, Ukhrul. As a child, I grew up singing in the church and listening to music. Listening to music has helped me release stress from my mind, and through music I can relate and connect to different people's life journey, which makes me explore more about myself too. Standing here tonight gives me hope and to speak out what I have been keeping it to myself since I was a little girl. That is a mission to help HIV and AIDS infected people. And winning this title tonight will give my dream a bigger platform, a dream becoming reality. Thank you so much. Have a great time ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Sonalim Khayer Awungshi. I am 18 years old. I am from Nungbi Kulen. Right now I am pursuing BSc Forestry in Dun Business School, Dehradun. And one day I would like to become a forest engineer. And one of my greatest achievement was that I was the state subject topper in my Taimayek in HSLC 2019. Thank you.
Good evening, RKL. Iwami Modestar Kansu, I Jinjoy Kulanwena represent Gasane, I Tingu Maguda Katum, I St. Joseph College, Autonomous Bangalore, Wena graduate Sakwe, I Yamkwik Sa Awan Kaling, Kala Sustainable Lifestyle in Changlake, in Sanglake, Ichu Wangina Environment Science Domain. Ina iwinig jangju mangaina klam hailaka na college campus li participate kasa sampangai tree plantation drive, seed sapling drive, kala hili relate kasa social services aina activities pingli. Hui mangaina ina mainland li khlaya mi pingli green terrace kala healthier park innovate sakwai encourage kasa kala ot sakmi sampangai citizen welfare association Bangalore azingli iwi krina in a community li he kwiralaga otsagrum kangai ne I nyakawi efforts kami kala courage li I shitsangai hina itumi community li kangje kwirare jihi I ajijili chitka sangwi mangai na rakang ning ne. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Premlan Luitri. I'm 18 years old. I'm representing Langdang. I've completed 12 and planning to pursue graduation this year. I love singing and reading. Well, I may not have a smiley face, but I can guarantee that whoever around me will not get bored. Tonight, I'm here obviously for the crown and title, but it is more than that. I believe that the ground does not define us, but we define the ground. And yes, the rain is only for a year, but in a year we can do many things that pleases our hearts. I want to do something beautiful and amazing which will make difference in our society. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Shira, now we bang
pleasure to be here. Myself, Yoshim Rivera, running 18 years of age, currently pursuing Bachelor of Physical Education and Sport. I'm proudly representing Halang Village. My contestant number is 5. I'm very much fond of playing volleyball. I love singing and learning new things. I'm also a fitness freak because I determined to become a sports manager and a fitness instructor. Beauty pageant for me isn't about who has the perfect eyebrow or pins. It's about who is willing to push the envelope. So I proudly took this opportunity to keep myself forward. Winning this title of Miss Rupei will help me make a difference one day. Thank you.
Si phân si rốt quý à lơ tầng khờ mâm lơ nào quý bằng thêm Rainmaker và pro holy khẩn suy cơ chi số chính rơ lý Rainmaker chẳng si ra lơ cơ hồn chi lơ nào quý bằng thêm Si phân si rốt quý à lơ.
Hello everyone, my name is Wariaton Marza from Chinjuroi CV. I'm 20 years of age and I'm doing my BA final year in Modern College in Phal. I love cooking, gardening, and I also love sports, particularly volleyball. When it comes to sports, boys are given more opportunities than a girl. A girl child is as important as a boy child and should be given equal opportunity in every platform. And I stand here tonight for all the women to be proud of themselves, believe in themselves, and seize all the opportunity that comes our way. Thank you.
Shira, now we bang him. Be your bee, wing a shala, vegetala, now we bang him. Rainmaker, but pro holy, cause we can cheer, so jinglely.
A dream is a picture of possibility. We should have strong heart and prepare mind to turn that into reality by pure respect. Good evening, judges, and everyone gathered here. I'm Ramjula Mishangvu. I'm 21 years of age, and I represent the whole Long Bikutri village tonight. I've completed my graduations in political science. I also love listening music, gardening, and playing football, which is also one of my favorite things to do as a little side hobby of mine. The reason I'm here tonight on this stage is to achieve my dream and to give my voice against drug abuse, which is very common amongst the youth. I'm very deeply humble and grateful for these opportunities, and I can't wait to share this journey with you all. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Rainmaker, but pro holy, khẩn suy cơ chi, số chính rơ lý. Ngân lê la, y rê bình la, chi rê shira, na we bằng thêm. Be your bee, we ngất sân la, về chợt la la, na we bằng thêm.
Hello, good evening everyone. Like a flower, we must allow ourselves to grow and bloom at all places. I'm Pim Changlati, 22 years of age. representing Jingjuroi Clan Village, currently pursuing bachelor degree in social work from St. Joseph College, Ukhrul, Manipur University. In my free time, I love interacting with people, sharing new thoughts and ideas for social change. And if God's willing, one day I aspire to become a social worker to serve the society. With my patience and love in beauty pageant, I carry all the blessings and the beautiful gifts of God by taking every opportunity that comes in my life. And if I were crowned as Miss Rupei 2022, I will not limit myself to this, but work harder to achieve and explore any beauty pageant title in the future at a higher and bigger platform, promoting our culture, identity, and community to the world. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Bungrawan Shimray. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Sehayukuno, and my aim in life is police officer. I'm blessed that I'm a listener that I love listening music, singing, and interacting with people. So I'm grateful for getting the opportunity to stand for here, because I believe that every opportunity is one step closer to success. And there is no road to success without failure. Thank you.
Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Levin Nuitui and I'm 18 years of age. I'm honored to represent Langtang Village. I've completed my +2 from Tiny Dots High School and currently pursuing regular medical coaching in Messi. I love spending my leisure time reading, sketching, and baking. Tonight I stand here not because I think of pageantry as a competition, but as a learning experience. Many people think that pageantry is a platform to showcase physical beauty only. However, I believed it as a platform to groom my personality and to discover more about myself. And to be standing here in front of everyone confidently, representing not only for myself but for Langtang, is something that speaks of courage, empowerment, and confidence. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
representing from Shihai Kuno. My hobby is cooking and stitching, and my aim in life is to become a cabin crew. The reason why I stand here is not because I'm pretty good, not because I'm perfect, but I would like to inspire the younger generations that whatever the opportunity comes, grab it. Do not wait for the perfect time. Instead, take the time and make it perfect. Tomorrow will never come. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lanmi Shimrang. I'm 21 years old, happy and confident, proudly representing thousands of Payaites who see potential in me that I am able. I've graduated in Hindi major from Kirurimal College, Delhi University, and currently pursuing my master's from Manipur University. Being born and brought up in different places across the country, I've been privileged to encounter and indulge myself in and among many cultures, as well as learn different languages other than my mother tongue. These very things has somewhat, in or the other way, decided my hobbies, which is singing, traveling, and learning a new language that excites me. I aspire to become a teacher where I can share my knowledge with many. Perhaps I'm standing here for my people who believes in me, but at the same time, I'm standing here for myself. It needs courage and opportunity I would be heard. Thank you and have a nice evening.
Hello everyone, my name is Thayala Shang. I am 23 years old. I have completed my graduation from Women's College Shillong. I'm proudly representing Shuri Village. Currently, I'm working at a private company in Ukhrul. I love to travel, visit new places, learn different languages, learn different culture and people. When I'm home, I bake. I love to serve people. The joy of seeing the people around you is incomparable to anything in the world. It makes me feel alive. Tonight, I've come out from my comfort zone, ready to handle whatever it comes. And it is my dream to represent my society, to show the world our identity, our culture, continue to inspire more and more people. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Cecilia Zimik, your contestant number 14, proudly and gratefully representing Lurichimpung Village. I'm 21 years old, currently pursuing BSc final year in Tiam College of Science, majoring in zoology, and Bachelor of Pharmacy in Tiam Community College. I'm a very positive person, self-motivated, and self-disciplined. Apart from my studies, I take pleasure in teaching, interacting with people, reading novels, and playing volleyball. I don't think beauty is just about someone with a crown. It's actually within us, from the things we do for others to the little touches and details that brings us joy and happiness. Tonight, I stand here to find the visibility, discover and rediscover myself and my strength, boost my confidence, enhances my personality, thereby getting to interact with women from different places, thereby getting to know about their culture, and widen my horizons, representing my village and my culture. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Khắc suy cơ chi sâu chính rơ ly ngân lây la y rê ping la chi rê shi ra na quy bằng thiên vì ur pi quy ngất sân la về chợt la la na quy bằng thiên về mây ca và pro holy khắc suy cơ chi sâu chính rơ ly
Tumga shungere, I come some Kiango winner represent Sane, Gala E Area graduation goodbye laga lately, psychology subject I know, Jodi Nivas College Autonomous Bangalore winner Kupsange, Gala E Area national being the coaching Kumilaga lately, we hoping dancing, gardening, Gala national being Stokopum, Karajan Kasahina. Iwi mirinly in the Sakangai Odna. Chokradaglay Kanutot, Gatam now being we, Wardam Gatam Gashili, Galasam Qui Camili Cherukingaya. Wardam Gatam Gashilhina, Kamataya or Tromakasada, Ayur Ayaya Voina, Atomwi, Ning, Peka, Temqui Camihina, Yurungishan, Regasang Salak Rogji, Iwishikasang, Galagachi Hanna. Verena, Lishlakain and Semigahai, Awi Pangtem. Kala ning juk pongshok kawai wivang, ajeng ya ihilirang ning takalena, ning shilakaira.
Si fancy, Broadway la, tangka mangla, na wivang ken. Rainmaker, babro holy, kan sui kunci, so secretly.
I'm 18 years old. I'm pursuing 12th standard at St. Joseph College. I'm from a small yet a beautiful village, Ngohui. I have a keen interest related to household things, which is why my hobbies include cooking and baking. Apart from that, I also enjoy listening to music in my leisure time. I'm a person who would happily and willingly help others who would need me, taking an opportunity in giving my service to the humanity. I'm patient and have a forgiving heart that keeps me positive even at the provocative moments. Having such personalities made me believe in myself that winning a crown tonight would be a great platform to me to work on humanity to a larger extent. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Chẳng xí ra là cơ hội trên là nào uy bằng thiên xí phân gì rồi quý à là gần khờ măng là nào uy bằng thiên cây mây cơ và pro holy gần suy cứ chi số chính rơ ly xí mi cơ chẳng xí ra là cơ hội trên là nào uy bằng thiên xí phân gì rồi quý à là gần khờ măng là nào uy bằng thiên
Hello, good evening to our esteemed judges and everyone gathered here today. My name is Pathinyo Soro. I'm 18 years young, proudly representing from Chinjiroy Clan. Currently pursuing my 10+2 at Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School. I love cooking, dancing, and interacting with elders. One day I aspire to become a good fashion designer. I'm standing here today because I believe in myself. I am the leader of my life, and also the main purpose I'm standing here today is to inspire someone who fell low, and also to make them overcome their fear and challenges, and also to encourage all the discouraged women out there that if I can, you can. Fear none and fight for your right. Raise your voice to live in a better world. To love yourself, appreciate who you are, and be grateful because gratitude makes life beautiful, peaceful, joyful, and meaningful. Thank you very much. Enjoy this evening.
bằng thiên Ray maker và pro holy khắc suy cơ chi số chính rơ ly ngân lây la y raping la shiri shira na quy bằng thiên
Hello Argyle. Thank you for this platform. I am Sopaiwan Chatsang, representing from Hushu village. I am 18 years old, currently pursuing my 11th standard at Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Ukrul. I love listening to music, so my talent is singing. In the future, I would like to become a good model and an inspirational woman for our society, especially for the younger generation. Thank you.
Are you having fun tonight? Are you having fun tonight? Okay. More funs to follow. Round is secondly mang li zat for ye, gown round lay for ye. Subtitles declare some for a winners being we. Question round lay for ye, top 10 selection round kuchunga lay for ye, and lot more entertainments to follow. Jenny Tungatonga program he cook room sir. And then while witnessing all the beauties around us in Haitada Shankwe, we should be grateful. We ought to be grateful for getting this opportunity to witness such gorgeous and beautiful ladies in front of us. And I'm sure the judges must be having a very hard time. Yaka ngla khamtha shanbai chonbai khamtha shok sanglaga shok dakle atumang saglak dalere. They're not just pretty, but they're smart and intelligent as well. Right? Do you agree with me? Okay. All right. Before we move on to the next round, I would like to give this time to Kuiru Soriso Yangya, the chief guest of the night. Kindly come forward and take your time.
Good evening, Rupino Bing. Oh, Remitida, Itumwe, Safajili Masot la Mise, Kyakashila Mise. Ayahi, Rupe, we La Shio Kabangi Gajine, Casting Edge in the Masabai Tugida, Itumi Makabang Ture. Kaisa Sala Itum Liv, Rajna Pakame Atam Kramida, Aritum, Rumlaulakaina, Mapum Palakaina, Sadley, Jivang Safajili Nishi. Jimang Manila, Iwi Legashi, Kyagashi, Langdang Kuhiwi, Aunga, Mishan Krejili, Ningashi Kajunkami, Gala, Elo Sibinga, Hashim Harimda, Hili Radakle, Delegates Katongli, Kazinkro, Gala, Sibang Tinok Yakle Salala, Atumna, Mipingilikata, the Sami Sikla, the Ngachang Kachat Malila. Volunteers la zang laka ninyang ong ka chang katte lang dang khuna rupeli kya kha masot mi sikle itum lang dang khuli masot mi phungre ning shila mi phungre kala RKRW president taw somi bam na than laka our colleagues ping zangda aju hashim harim da thumna Rupay now being hilly, Katada Tanlaga, Ring Panga Sakla, Rupay Katata Resang Sakra, Atom the Sadak Jivang, it meaning she say, Mermane. Jivang, Akashida, Rupay Katam now along with President colleagues Pivang, Akshita Bang Pemis Joe. Illa, Atamagli, Rupay Katam now along with General Secretary Sasawgida, in a Kachoti, Atomui, Paisa Willabai, Kula program me ping willy. Kiki Labai, Kala Chief Guest Pingli, Kangasan, Kachung Kapong, Pivang Iako Sala Ichikatra, the Maning Gajivang, Ikachung Kamasot Mingai, Kala Ningashila Mingai. Achuhi in a Chief Guest Sala, Manimane, Ojabra Shona Sagi Gajane, Ka, Itumnate Sierra Gaine, God of Kadakle, with the Amra by Ture. Tisa Salala, our Ringapa Shalamji, Rupena being limi low, Kala Ringapa Kumtar Sarano, Gaji Anahangji Pundale. China, Rupina Bing, Ning Medelse, a show a rep kung, Yar show, Malakabata, Mirkamata, my don't P. Shimrishang Rupe Willy Praga Sunday. Shirley Lee, Okutili Maklaya, a 1G Rupina Bing Liklane. Jivang itum Rally Masot, Mise Lang my son from Ray, Naish Rupe from Ray. Rupe get up down on the Likisan miracle that you may expect Masase. Ka Rupeli, Yar Kok Saturday Laka, in a king of John Bisicle. In a key Bangran Sasikle, you get him, you tell he, Rupe Bangchikatra, which he lay higher car, itumla, Rupe Tangmatangva, meeping the Shukuitam Quickabaya, long now area, Sare, Aju, Tao Tamla around from Lay to very dictatorship case, Alakui Todagane, itum chief case Kanikang Rumi, Rupe Lajuna Crane, he will go Klaba, itum Rupe Shamkang Rumra, na isn't rug, which you solidary Laka Krane, itum Kotong. China, Tui Sang the Mahang Kaina contestant Bing Hang Hangai. In a Shisangi, Atumui personality young Laga, Atum Wiena, Rupai Kangajay. Itum Nala expect suddenly rather Adam Jili, not of Nala, Iwi Uklunga and not of Nishilakar Go, which is Hangai. Jimang Manila. Official mostly cook Sami Dakle, Avung Rana Tumdilla, Ding Shit Lakai, not to make a jot, not to my young chicken, me Lakai, it of Nishilakai. Rupe Yarkok being now robbingly not to Lumlakai, Sami Ere, coloring Palina, Sami Ere. China, na thumli ni yang ung chang khatai re ari ki kamaning mane atam lamu khoi rimre jani shar ke president ni wak kam yaw ka khnele LOC lang dang we LOC mun lei to hi wak ka mil jo Ara itum rupai nau bing, tu tu bing na peninggi ke jibawa. Ara election lang nai hai ka itum na papta ke jibawa. Itum kamata leadership ke bangse. Kamata leadership ke le adam itran itum ring pare re sangra. Arab country li kik kamalai salala atum kamata leadership ke le jibangai na atum mawat lak lang nan tapai nok tu tak le ji. Itum na shukui yang koi laga itum kamata leadership ji ke bang koi laga rale sa se. Kalau rupai hi mering maida lei kya area lang sarano miping na shukui tam hui kapaya lang sarano China contestant psychically all the best jila hangai lei China iwi species here na tang hore long live RKL. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chief Guest Kuira Sori Soyanga, for the challenging and words of wisdom. Itum saigoro wang tamkui shikui by sharing akang sadle ning she no odmanga atem temerno. Okay, are you ready for some entertainment? Are you? Yes. Do you want to be entertained? Yes. It's not loud enough. Do you want to be entertained? Yes. Much better. Thank you. All right, let us be an interactive crowd tonight. And I'm very, very grateful that we are very disciplined. Contestants being Kashokji Tranla itum disturb masami lakmane atung isagi chi chingri vrian matalain sang sake kukhau tili tum na chair sami which means itum he a chair thela kha crowd kang sadali itum ithadam thamoi chatwa paisa sei ji la hang sangai. All right, now we have a very special guest in our midst, Kuirum la SP Shonshan. Ana itumle entertain samira arihi jena ali atami mingaidle stage li ralaga la akakhni khara sami holo kuirula SP Shonshan le itum sai koruna panga phelaga welcome sami se. Itum na Shonshan ling right laman man delay laga achu event with donors being we aming pashok ming ai delay kare sada queer lakpachi zero social worker ka khanyali queer ungshung horam social worker ka gatumali toto gachui entrepreneur ka kamatiale major yiglei tumra ka phangali Dr. Lingsang ka thurukali soyapam longleng social worker Daniel Asing Shimra entrepreneur, Ngaran Mitangva wedding planner, Hashok Mi Kamkura social worker, Atem Chamroy social worker, Ntung Butongli, Kachonganing Shidale, Natumna generous Salagana donate Sakmi Umanga in Itum program he, Quika Shapta Kalene. Itumi radically programs we learn to generosity, Tamil Shidlogi Lahang Sangaidale. Now the time is given to SP Shonshan. Yarina Panga payment go welcome Sakwizali.
Volume do up to full oil.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up once again for SP Shonshon. Big round of applause, please. Okay. And Ari itumli la sami fura. Jane itumna Ali welcome sami lushit say he witili itumli entertain sami gi artist kalifiye. Jane atumna moron atam kulishidra. Thank you. Were you entertained? Arijimam ta, niang moong, tana ya, SP Shonshon. Thank you so much for the beautiful numbers. Arila, itumna, akashida, langana runglu vaisa se. Ilari kongwi ba kui gawing right lo. Okay, Arriva, Mayar Nawen and Vaisase. Mr. Horamung Ramrak of Kamasom Kayanko. Nanahilipom de Lekanali Atomingaye, please come to the stage and entertain us. Itum Sai Koruna, Queer Horamung Ramrakli welcomes Hakwise.
Hello, check. Hello.
Thank you, Mr. Horamong Ramrak. Ning shi jangate Bruno Mars illa kam somni lei sara dam phuning samane. Thank you. Adam lei saga itumli perform salu shidre and then arui hi ishi organizers pingwena kshika ngasami salo da request sara da le jan itumi kshika break quiz hare organizers pingna resume sa paura gji adam je tran itum program hi how pokli vai resume salu vai sa se and kshika itumna chingre na hall alungli ngasami sa se laga organizers pingna pau miraj into resume sa vai sa se ning share in tung tong le.
chỉ thâu the chili screen hi set sa the clean ne chen screen ji set sa mung de le sa pai ni gam sa pai ni le ji athum na ti sai chau re kala arwe ya really phap tang sak ngai a khana hi we shock the clay sa the clay we event manage yes ishi how media na sa sar ne ka hili sar hi thara chi tharan sar ka thara ga chi to nga ji argel na decision goi go chen ya really phap tang sangai go apung pung hi tharan sar apam chili sar ka thara ji argel na decision khui sel ga iliva directive hu ya jing li sa go chen arwe hi RKL na itum kutonga LOC la chang kal kharjan la sad lei pha mai kap ji ji sa sok vai sa dak ne mram atum la yang ai no mo yari ping la ji itum na la atum ni tinai mi sa bai ne atum na chap tak le atum na yang ai dak le ji itum na la respect sa mi ki ne jena RKL na LOC la ga mi ping ji jang la ga kharjan sad lei chỉ vì decision ati sudah isi ba itu na manage kami re as isi nang samau lo jadi itu samau re continue sa lo jelas jisa re jadi yaruina how media na singai jadi itu na hit decision mo kulang na ji 100% itu na clarity ji claim lo ji u ba kai na la ji request sa da klene ning share re
Hello. I'm back. And we are back. We have been given a green light to go ahead. Resume house. Are you excited? Are you excited, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. We should be more excited because this is the evening gown round. Are we ready for it? Great. Jo itum settles house evening gown round we shock vice house hiwitili itum subtitles we result declares hamira top 10 rara itum we round matang kwiwa vice ara itum entertain sami kwai guest ping la kuchungkal radale. So without further ado, let us welcome all the contestants for the evening gown round. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the contestants. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause.
To be young and in love in New York City.
These are the beautiful 18 contestants of Miss Rupai 2022. Shall we give them a bigger round of applause, please? Thank you. Rupai Naubing, Lang Song Yi Plungwe, Lakam Ta Aswa Lep Kong Hi Ya Leida Klei Hi. Atumi Mangali, Hit Hadara Kang Ningai Na Shui Reflection and Ilak Tiao Kam Yaram Ta Sang Wei Lei Re. I think it's a privilege and I'm grateful to host this event amidst these beautiful ladies. Ara itumna subtitle we result declares hamira ashi trada t-shirt ling in ingda clay huli subtitle panga kiyashi kangiya judges ping na kapang khimi edelaye in a jaru declares hamira. Are you feeling nervous, ladies? You feeling okay? Yes. All right. Good. Yarubing, ready circle result nganak vai. Ready sarang la? Postpone house la? WhatsApp group list me okay? Result. All right. So we know that we have 5 subtitles. They are Miss Fusion, Miss Beautiful Smile, Miss Personality, Miss Catwalk, and Miss Photogenic. All right. Let's go ahead with Miss Fusion first. Any guesses from the crowd? Kibana Quim Rao, Miss Fusion here. Contestant number kya Quim Rao? Yes, Anaquire, Kibagla, Arije. Okay, without further ado, Miss Fusion 2022 is contestant number 7. Please come forward. And I would like to request Mr. Seth Shimra to kindly hand over the check. Yarina Pangapemi say, thank you so much. Next up we have Miss Beautiful Smile. I'm so sorry. Miss Fusion, please take the time for your walk as the Miss Fusion 2022. Music, please. Thank you. That is your Miss Fusion 2022. Next up, we have Miss Beautiful Smile. Do you have any guesses? Kibana Quim Rowley, Miss Beautiful Smile here. Yang gaga ningai bam thasier de laye, but he were alongly. Akamang na kui blongi side judges pingla atang he ko kodli kuisam purpo kaini. So, Miss Beautiful Smile is contestant number 9. Thank you. He award him Mikawai Wivang, Miss Yuimi Vashum, TKS with General Secretary request Sangai Le bouquet and a check chin and a kami miolo. Thank you. That is our Miss Beautiful Smile 2022. Next up, we have Miss Personality. Contestant number 3. Now, Miss Personality Creator, Anna Koshok Mirno. Thank you. Miss Personality, we award him Mikavai. Quirum la AR Mating. Miss Manipur 2019, and a bouquet and a check to hand over Kasami Orono. Thank you, Miss Personality and Miss AR Mating. Next up, we have Miss Catwalk. Laminau Tada, Kazat Pavos Likapangwe, judges Pingna. We have Miss Catwalk, contestant number 12. Anakoshok Mirno. Thank you. Miss Catwalk, we award him Mikavai. Queer attempt chamroili request sadly, and a shock like a bouquet and a check he come Mirno. Thank you. Last but not the least, chance lay here for Akatai for Miss Photogenic Lady. Miss Photogenic 2022 goes to contestant number 10. To give the award for Miss Photogenic 2022, I would like to request Miss Tutu Jamir from Makokchung kindly come over the stage and hand over the bouquet and the check. Thank you so much. Before we move on to the next round, I would like to request all the subtitle winners to kindly come forward and pose for a photo and in front of all the crowds. All the subtitle winners are in the Shipangan. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your 5 subtitle winners of Miss Rupai 2022. Let us give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. You may kindly go back to where you were standing before. Sangmi Pao, right? Thank you. Now, we will be moving forward to top 10 result declaration. Out of the 18 beautiful ladies, our judges have chosen the top 10. Mala thasere magun leisir de competition saw with the judges been a kye vasalaga top 10 kapang de in a point order point wise and a meaning laka randomly serial wise and ascending order any in a pashok mige notum in a serial number pakshok abu in a shock me no. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your top 10 contestants of Miss Rupai 2022. Karesada, contestant number 2 na shock no. Kakaniali, contestant number 3. Gogotumali, contestant number 10. Kamatiali, contestant number 12. Kapangali, contestant number 13.
Gaturogli, contestant number 14. Gashinia contestant number 15. Gatishadali, contestant number 18.
Kani Watfui. Any guesses from the crowd? Next, contestant number Kya Kamrao. Contestant number 17. Lastly, but not
the least, the top 10 contestant is contestant number 18. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your top 10 finalists of Miss Rupee 2022. Thank you. You may kindly go back to where you were standing before, and I would like to give the time for your opening statement. Can any one of you kindly arrange the mic, please? Rimpamai pogai rayang, mulungmo kutung darije. Yeah? Alright. 18 wena thara daire. Nextly, 18 wena panga da lure. It had a moron rondalaga ajogi kupsang kawai sare. Now, we will be moving forward to the opening statement from the contestants. So, without further ado, I would like to call upon contestant number 2 to kindly come up to the stage and give your opening statement.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to speak about global warming. Global warming is one of the most serious issues as this may result in a serious alterations of the environment, eventually impacting human health, increased risks of droughts, floods, and threats to biodiversity. Being endowed with the gifts of flora and fauna, the land that we have is blessed with many beautiful things, including scenic and picturesque places and spots. I believe that we should not only enjoy them, but it is our duty to preserve them for our future generation. Our land is a very good place for tourism, which will help in giving job opportunities and providing livelihood to many of our people. So to act when we can and when we must is what I would like to encourage, starting from my family, friends, and everyone. And as a forestry student, I would like to reform shifting cultivation and replace marijuana and poppy plantation into horticulture crops. And I would like to focus on plantation of fruit crops and turn Ukrul into a land of fruits. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 2, for the thought-provoking ideas you have shared with us. I would like to call upon contestant number 3 to kindly come forward and take your time.
Good evening once again. Ari Oktirek somewhere along the climate urgency issue face that lay. Hili community with responsibilities like a hawklaye, Maramba hiwi social, health, color environmental impact sign itum kipakla immune masamne, color hili solve sak vai perfect solution na malamne, ka hiwi along itum kuchihanle, itum na youth pingli awareness program he focus milaga resourceful gasa decision kuilaga practice gasa tran kala kokha sada kernau sen makai la awareness with knowledge kala practice si thangajida wi mirinli otsa karum tarand kangajai unkushungji kurare. It's a small act of conscious living that makes a big difference. So if I am able to practice a basic sustainability like maintaining wet waste and dry waste segregation at home, and using kitchen wet waste for feeding domestic animals, and also decomposing it for kitchen garden, and always keeping my carry bag at hand to avoid a maximum usage of plastic bags, then you can definitely practice it as well. If I'm ogtwirak sang hili, mushunglak tarlakay na avuram hin yose. If I'm avu a John aktuivu in a naligtadang John mi bayrak jihe, mashanli pari haida. Otsa grum say she may pungwiana nishlakaire.
Thank you, contestant number 3. Itungwi karing karak matamay bike vide and share sami kavan ningshiye.
Contestant number 10 nalia taming ay lane na shock milo.
Good evening once again. In our mutuki jihina youth unemployment we maramline, and one of the biggest issue in our society at present is youth unemployment. In a shitsange kichiva, itumwe skills, itumwe education, hili kichijana papta laka sustain sak shop, mirin kurakmi, sustain sak by skills, knowledge, college, quality education kichi kohone. Education kahang turan school we kahang mang maning laka itumwe skills, kala itumwe knowledge, hin itumwe mirinli sustain sak shop knowledge skill kli quality education kahangne. Kala, if we are all educated and well aware of what we are doing, we could land a proper job in the future, and education is the ticket for a better future. Jena itumna we should invest in education, our time, energy, and money in education, so that we can live a brighter future. Nishinaire, don't he?
Kani thoda ka sada, kani thol pimwang, da machuglaga challenging salakaya to topic shock matu hai wang chunga ningshiye. Contestant number 12, nali adam ingay lay na adam shock milo.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to talk about body shaming and mental health. We live in a society where people are simply judged because of their appearance. Growing up slim like I am today, I've been body shamed a lot for being too skinny, for being too thin, which affected my mental health, and I don't understand why. What does it even have to do with my body? After several appointments and checkups, the doctor told me I was normal and disease-free. And that was the moment I was ashamed of myself for giving too much importance on others' opinion. I stand here tonight to be the voice for those who are fighting with their mental health because of body shaming, who needs love and care because this needs to be concerned about. Playing with someone else's mental health is not something to be taken for granted. Let us all understand this. Asking thin people to eat more is equally insulting as asking a fat person to stop eating. You never know what their story is. You never know what struggles they've been through. So let us all love and accept each other the way we are, because we were all wonderfully created by God. We have only one life and everyone deserves to be free. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 12, for sharing a very, very important issue which we face almost every day. Contestant number 13, I would like to give the stage to you. Please come out and take your time.
Growing up in a broken family, struggling to have faith in myself, has made me realize how strong a person can become. I stand here tonight to make sure that one must believe in oneself, learn to stay strong, grab every opportunity that comes, do not give up on life like I do not. Do follow your dreams and set a good example for younger generation, and let them know that their past cannot define the future. If I can stand here tonight, breaking all the barriers, then you too can. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 13, for sharing a very wonderful thought with us. I would like to give the time to contestant number 14.
Hello again. I want to promote women empowerment, women in general as social activists. God created men and women as equal, but in the prevailing situation, women are being discriminated. Abuse and violence against women are present in our society when trying to get through the boundaries of age, culture, class, and education. If men can participate in political and economical decision making, why can't we, the women? If men can inherit the properties of the parents, why not we, the women? Therefore, I strongly believe that it is time we women, in general, take our stand in solidarity and fight for what's rightfully ours. Because what we fight for today, our daughters will not have to fight for it tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 14, for the sharing a very courageous thought with us. Contestant number 15, Nawatam ko Shokhui Milo.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret
I've got
this?
bitch, I can't scratch on this one piece that starts a whole.
Itumi mi kumo mi mirinli pasali ka khanan ga za ki khom lai la rin phal agai na okjiwang ser ngai jene in the topic ki iwi health care ne itumi mi kumo wi kring khar ka long li pasali ka khanan ga za ki khalam lai ai ka itumi your mission ka la society hi khamta khap shu ngai na ka la sang wen ko ngai na rin phal agai na rei ka sang dai ka sang hi khura la ra ji iwi shit sang ne itumi mi kumo wi mirinli kejuhan ke khalai wiwang ka khanang ka gaza dry ka wiwang arya rai hi sem shop na kala angang nau na nau pum we na tui da kasar nau ka shung da kejuhan hi le sere jena ina kejanga da ni shi sangai jikawa itum mi mirinli itum na pasakam da ring po nga veng ko ngai na ot kasa jibli ta tan sak se jikawa arwi hili le dak le itum hiwe na paning kwise hiwe na nganing kwise kala lang we da itum mi pasali kapag itum li kapag la le ran itum li ma kapag la le sara ka itum li pag tak le pasa itum na shijin dak le jiwa kapag jiwa dalaga na shijin da pasa hi kamtai na haise ka mo pag ta le ka wa arwi na paning kwi la ka ili mo pag mana jikawa ji herai la ka kamta ba ji sa se Jane jang katai nan tumli ko tom ngai itum mi ko mo wi kring krak alung li chang khamang ra wa chu ni juwa ngai na itum klato wi phasahi im ta da ker kwi la ka zatwat lai ka wa shimkur yur nishan sai ko ri hi itum mi khamtai na zatwa shapra rig sang sala gra ju ini shi sang ngai chida sa da itum wi khnui gadam kilen na shinau bing ari chokra da kle ya khnui thot atum bing li itum khar na san bing hina kamta pegar jikar kwilaga dalagaina jizumida atomwi psarin manglarin kala yaririn hi kamta ina semgang saksa chidaiga va itumwi yurmishan hi mutai gisang hagasang horgasang gijiva makshoy kuralagra itumwi mirin li kato gijir kurang sagi gihi konditot national bingli tam kami hina kamta yene chidada sada ina hang ngai ba ma khandau sada aju ayayang da aju hi mirin kamtai na sem kwise kala ajo hi yang kwida akama mirini ko horang sang saklakse kiji hi hangai ning shila kai re.
Thank you, contestant number 15, Itunguli kana mai tuiji phasa wi maram lim thalagan share sami khaiwang. Contestant number 16, kindly come forward and take your time.
Hello everyone. Everyone knows how important it is to empower a woman. In spite of talking about this, our society still considers women as inferior, which is the reason why most of the parents desire to marry off their daughters to a well-to-do family, and the reason behind is her stability. Women should be financially independent. Your identity is defined by your ability to be independent, and that comes from finance in the world that we live today. Hence, women can help in building stronger economies. A strong woman is defined by her voice. So, women, it's time that we stand up for ourselves. When the world leader has no gender, why should we step back? Be confident and raise yourself for the betterment of community. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 16, for the thoughtful and the courageous sharing. I would like to request contestant number 17 to kindly come forward and take your time.
Hello, once again, Europe. Today, I would like to talk about climate change. Yesterday, we are blessed with showers of rain. That's why we got postponed for today. Climate change threatens people with food and scarcities of water. We can help by planting more trees. On World Environment Day, 5th June, since deforestation is one of the main causes of climate change. So, I take these opportunities in this platform to make people all aware of danger of climate change. This is the time to take action and talk less, because our each action could either kill or save nature. Prevent and protect is better than repent and repair. Thank you very much. Enjoy this evening.
Thank you, contestant number 17, for sharing a very important issue which we are facing almost daily. Lastly but not the least, I would like to give the time to contestant number 18. Nana shoklaganu atam ko shokhui milo.
Laikyang azin rupinaw. Ari na substance abuse muramli mutuingaye. Ihing nui lakawena ukuli rergaye. Kala hiena ina avu aba matayla kala national matayla kala katam now zang laga youth zang laga itmui thola zang laga substance abuse li engage kasak chunga teguye. Kala hi tegu hiena ili mulung ring lakaya akang saye. Kachuwang lay chilaga youth being hiba na I hiba. Aman sakla kahaya society we laya kanay kala society we learn akanay kala youth being here it mu youth being here it mu youth being here na akama we future shemgi jine kala akama we society shemgi jine juwangai na irupeng la kasada kala ikatam now akasada ina alcohol addiction kala drug addiction bingli financially mang journal salala hikta platform hiwiyena ina atumni spiritual support physical support gala moral support miye ngaye kala hiena na tum sai ko na la support sami salo gi hangkangai ne lingshla kai re
Ning share contestant number 18 and concern like lagay na hitum kuni thot ping wang da share sami kai ji contestants ping we na share sa ngai ji chin ko kuk masai re beauty with brains ki ji hile ka hang ne sometimes it is not only the experts, the politicians or the speakers itum church katha pamangli lecture ka sa jene itum le khangje mu khira mane arui ngala nau bingna heli share sa khaije itum we society le khangache khirang sa ngai nau with the concern le lagani share sa rasa le. These are life changing speeches, sharing. If we take it seriously and if we implement it practically, you and I can be the root of change in our society. In the hangai itumna Miss Contest khayang jitran atumwi ram gaza shock laga catwalk gaza atumwi ningai khyang mang ningla atumnai da concern lai laga ne share sadak le hi itumna ning laga nang na khui laga itumwi day to day lively implement sa se ji itum khangje khira. The Tangkol Express na a live stream summit le. It is a recorded live streaming. It will always be available on the channel. Let us always reflect whenever we have time. Atum speeches sing analysis say kamata sharing mangko itum society one concern like and share sami gaine saklaga ne khui sei ji hangai. Thank you all the beautiful ladies for sharing all these challenging and courageous thoughts you have shared with us. Itum sai korna tuma pang panglai nak sik phemyo se niang na plonge ringpa na plonge. All right. Itumwili technical problem so 2-3 minutes sugar kang liu say a yearly bomb the clipping one actually fix some and then we will resume with our program again. Sound system he arranged some mandalay laga in a we program we event partners being we aming actually the pashok milushit ke grooming partners he queer songashim rungsung Mr. India Rubaru 2021 kala queerum la AR mathing Miss Manipur 2019 samidle subtitles we sponsor he ES Technotech queer Edward Shimrana on gasaina samidle give hampers he Herbs and Me he Quirum ver Mimika Paina on Gasane Kala Zingran Foods Mrs. Pemichon Tung Shang Now Anina give hamper sponsor Samidle Sound and Light he GES Sound Infal na event partner Samidle official photo shoot he Tinpei Studio with photography na Queerock Photography videography na Creative Studio printing partner he Sachiri Enterprise na Samidle bouquet he Aran Florist SAS designer he Tapuimas na Samie, live coverage he the Tangkol Express na Samidle. Donors he Queer Lakpaji Siro, Ungshung Horam, Toto Gachui, Major Yigle Tumra, Dr. Lingsang, Soyapam Lungleng, Daniel Asing Shimra, Ngiranmi Tangva, Hashokmi Kamkura Kala Atem Chamroy, the Atumna Samidle. Natum Saikorna, generous Salagaina, Kalaning Haglagaina Tumli, Kakatom Wivang program is successful Salagaina, Sashab Daklainen Tumining Shi. Event Saikoro Wang Ituna Pangpanglaina Shik Pemisla. Thank you. All right. How far the vows resumes house. Are you ready, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? Do you want to be entertained?
Do you want to be entertained tonight? All right, let us welcome Mr. Somipam Chamroy. He, the Tangkul Katamla Long Delhi na patriotic song competition li ana third position kuye, China ana mga hiliralaga akshida perform rasami rano. Ana perform sa gai wichili, kuira jellish munglang nala itumli entertain samira, China ana la ready sami salo.
Hello. Original correction aku mewah ke suami pam mengecilin ni suami ngam jam roy jang. We are not nagas. Itu naga ausar ni. Jangan arriba naga wilasar. We are not Indians. We are free. Then we title in the wake up the blood of nagas. Kesimsami lo lahi, sebab kita masalah dalam sapalak suri. Muni mikrofon bahi, speaker bak mahim dalam masalah tu jang, kena. Yaru bingin kesimsami lo kena tengok.
Ning share kuira chamre na lam thalai sami khai jiwa.
Ai samok.
Okay. Itum na pang lai ke pemis jo itum li patriotic sala khai la itum li perform sami re ning share kuira jellish mungleng shiri wen ne na RE stage li ralaga perform khaka sami lo itum sai kor na pang ke pel ka welcome sami se kuira jellish mungleng le.
check 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 check
你是其他东西方，อาจจะว่าละอาจ prepare ใช้สิ่งนี้ก็เน็ตไม่สะดวกสักไงลาจิละไม่สมบูรณ์เช่นละอาจสักละกันนะสังกัดตอนนั้นไรเลยก็ตอนนั้นสักแค่นี้ละวิอามิงนะ ghost
Queer Jelish Mongleng, the judges are requesting you to sing one more song. Can you please come over the stage? Resulti, top 5 with resulti, mokup na rang jine. Jena, la kang na lusidaw say Queer Jelish Mongleng wena, lagay itum na contestants pingli welcome Sali Shidra.
It's not the words I want to hear from you. It's
Not that I want you not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn into more than words to show you feel that your love for me is real? What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. More than words. Na na na. Now that I've tried to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hand and touch me. Hold me close, don't ever let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn into more than words to show you feel that your love for me is real? What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. Oh, more than words. Na 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 na. More than words. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. More than words. Da 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 na na na. More than
Thank you, Jelish Mongling, for the beautiful number. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the top 5? Signaida kon shogru tujla. Okay, ara top 10 jiwani tum top 5 tau se judges pingla kui salagan khotlu jilaga mathamai tuigi ji khamatha bingwing jaili mathamai tuigi ji phanga kabang hwe de le matha sere da point de ken omangai na Kigla matai da kleine. Jena contestants bingli lahida da hangai. Don't be discouraged even if you are not in the top 5. You are all winners from the beginning. More power to you, regardless of the result. Please carry on with the good things you have been doing. Top 5 in a wow shock me okay. Atama clear to sure the top 10 he mo shock limera. Top 5 he ava wow shock li atum na he shock me mamandro no. Right after this we will have the question round. Okay. Top 5 we. Any guesses from the crowd? Kamashung Bajli prize mira. Contestant number kya ka shock marao? Zang ser dele. Jiping ji zang ser. All right. Let's get it started. Contestant number 14. Please come out. Contestant number 14 na shock mirror no na top 5 li zang dele. Music.
Thank you. Next top 5 contestant is number 12. Thank you. Next top 5 is contestant number 10. Thank you. Next top 5 contestant is contestant number contestant number 17. Thank you. Mati shogaire phangawili akhawadale fuye. Jena ashi Turuk chance le ser le fuye. All right. Lastly but not the least, contestant number 18. Thank you. Here are your top 5 contestants of Miss Rupai 2022. Itu no pang lain ke PM Isashi Pangawi Bang. Yes. Deserve salag hai. Nglanaw mang dalaye. Now we will have the question round. Ari question round hi ashi nglanaw pangana. Avu shoklaga big shock sare. Hili lari hili judges mati. We aminga pisangai dalaye ashina akan atum ko shock laga big shock sa aming baji judge baji na question jing han mira kala ji contestants mira khang han kamilo hiwili beisa laga winner Miss Rupai 2022 ji Josara. So best wishes to all of you. Do your best. Remake up the contestant number ascending and Gause. 14 winner, please come forward.
solutions. Fourteen.
Well, contestant number 14, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You totally deserve it. And yeah, you're contestant number 14. And my question will be very simple. Yeah, you are one of now the top 5 of Miss RKL. And my question is, what do you think is the difference between passions and being a model? You want me to repeat the question?
No, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the question. Pageant means to be in a platform where you can learn. You can not only showcase your beauty, but boost your confidence, enhances your personality, and make friends with many girls. But in pageant, there's a misconception here. People think that pageant is all about external beauty, but I totally disagree on that. Because in pageant promote women to empower themselves, to speak their mind, and to experience a sense of achievement. But model is all about showing oneself, showing the external beauty, more of it. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 14. Next up, we have contestant number 12.
Ma'am Felicita Shongwa.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Congratulations,
Thank you,
contestant
ma'am.
number 12. My question to you is, what, according to you, is the most important part of a beauty pageant?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. Well, in my opinion, beauty pageant is the best example of women empowerment. It gives us the platform to interact with people, make new friends circle, and most of all, boost our confidence, especially in public speaking. Pageants is not only about your outer beauty, it's about how much and how beautifully you represent yourself in front of the crowd, and confidence and courage is all that matters. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 12. Next up, we have contestant number 10.
Mr. Lumbem Bashum.
Yeah, that's all right.
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry.
That's all right. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Yeah, are you enjoying yourself?
Excuse
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, I am, very
Okay,
much.
That's great. All right, so first and foremost, congratulations to you for
Thank you
making
so
it this
much.
far. And my question to you is, what do you think are the biggest challenges women face, in particular, if you can tell me about Thankul society, women in particular? What do you think are the challenges they face?
Can you repeat the question again, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. So what, in your opinion, do you think are the biggest challenges or the challenge that women face, in particular, if you could tell us about the Thankul society, women in Thankul society, in your opinion?
Thank you so much for the question. So, in my point of view, the shame of divorce and abusive relationship should be thrown out of the window. To the contrary, there are still many women still stuck in abusive relationship because of the fear of society. And parents and society should accept the fact that it is okay to come home divorced rather than in a coffin. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 10. Contestant number 17, please come forward.
Mr. Kuiralan.
Contestant number 17.
Hello,
Congratulations.
sir. Thank you, sir.
You are looking beautiful today.
Sorry?
You are looking beautiful today.
Oh, thank you, sir. You are handsome too.
Thank you. Okay, are you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
Do you think social media is a positive or a negative thing? Why? I repeat in Tangkhul, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we take a quickly social media hi kashiga kapagala kashiga kyuwang kapaga kyuwang.
Thank you, sir, for your question. For me, it's both advantage and disadvantage of social media. If we make use in right part, it is very important in our life in this generation. But if we misuse it, we are wasting our time and also wasting money financially. And also, if we use correctly or accordingly, we can improve our lifestyle. We can uplift this generation. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, contestant number 17. Lastly but not least, contestant number 18.
Felicitas Chongwa.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, you look beautiful tonight.
Thank you very much.
My question to you is, how will you use your title to benefit others if you win tonight?
Well, if I win tonight's round, I want to inspire or motivate our society, especially the young generation, to accept the challenges that life has offered, face it with confidence, because with confidence we can face everything. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That is the end of the question round. You may kindly proceed towards the green room. Ladies and gentlemen, your top 5 contestants, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Okay, while the judges are calculating their marks, we will have a very special guest to entertain us. Kibam Rao? All right. Are we usually in a clarification? The contestants were given the choice of either to speak in Tangkhul or in English. Bilingual ne. So atumui own choice. Atum comfortable sama itu language and hanka kai ne jitila ya really hang mi ngai dele. All right. Winner we result mang naranga judges ping quiz ha dele laga itum entertain sa vai sa sa. Rupai Wishankar. Rupai Wishankar, who is with us tonight? Who is going to be with us tonight? Yes. Queer Shimringham Horam Nali welcome Sangai le stage li. And the stage li ralaga la khara samilo. Itu nali hon ching ching later kleine. The stage is yours, Mr. Shimringham. And the last how tilila. is she with guest kataping leife a guest artist atun la sami moandra and then itumwi Miss Repay 2021 with final result declaration jiratara ka itum tanrip khawai sa se almost done. Mr. Shimringam Horam na ready saika kamirano. Yarina pangak piano welcome sami se. Amakara ngayon tang na pangak piano ka welcome sami se. Ladies and gentlemen, Shimringam Horam.
चौथाई रे कराउनी ला थदम तिसाल गक्ता नहीं कदम बस कपाई हिला हिले विशेष सालु है रे थालला की गम धाम ने ये मरी ने ओके माइक हलन वो चला lay jan ario ibrevin perform magasara ara ibrevin mangasungirano ibrevin perform magasara Hello. Rupi Tiger.
Thank you.
Rupai Tiger we bang actually pangai ke famous jo kala awile a brave matalaga na perform sa mere matalaga na entertain sa mere hita da atam gijida ya really entertain sa mi jinglo no we career manga ba mai ro no gijila we sangai de laye ya ribing Miss Rupai 2022 we result thangai reklai mathai ngai na chung mai de laye jane ka sugar hall sa house e ari hi Geshuga result declare masarang laga rupai gitam na along with president kuira somi pam vashumli atam mingai de laye jena ana apam hilira laga atam jira khui miruno hi ko ngshida kuira rock lungleng founder and owner of How Media anala atam jira khui nanina moron da atam khara khui milo
as Rupi Miss Contest li judge sami khai bing li isi executive na panyung kwai memento president sangai le China adam bukui kwai judges si matina mangawak aksi kakamilo nishnare introduce sami limra atang atumni sami khai nai oh ningshina haire and then she grooming partner grooming sami guy AR Mating Miss Manipur nanala memento akashokumilo and then chotlakaina organize sami degle Mr. Rock Lungleng nala akashokumilo Nishnayra.
Hello. Arui Miss we result ng angai na rin nung ka ina akakani mang yung bagay nila ning simyoge. Arui argeli karzan sang lumje ni lihita day chum inla entertainment we hikta concert da sa zat ki hui krewe na yung company ak leida ji sa zai da ishi karzan sang lumla tum na sami lab lo jai dai tum ji sa khum nei hiwa opportunity mang issue bagay na tra khani si da lei kalam tai lai nak si da I endorse sangai ya ri to li itum ka pamang ning online ning chung yang dele song shimung song itum we Mr. India Ruparu 2020-21 kala AR Mating Miss Manipur 2019 two of the most professionals itum we pichin we bongli atu ani we chung tam khuye ani na effortless tada mathada sami na acha ba jang da aya isi sa si ji ba ring phang kare ji I hang khrek nim ne ji ba isi we grooming sara khai dance tam da kale to ngaji 11 ali khang ji ba na hilik 11 ali thada step jing je khul ka perform san aya ba acha ba isi chung ngai grooming sara da chili talent perform sa ani na sami khai ji it's the word achi ani li khang so ji panai tv rap la itum khni to bang generation bang that inspire sam li shilo ka khne li judges being here on and off that in the contact layer amai pak mi aja he was supposed to be here ka aya ka la ga jingro tin itum tong phap dai am jingro thura ka ashimati na ki ka mamim na ashimati le ka matam du sa mi ji itum tang khu khni to lom khalau hile itum entertainment hile ring phak me mirin aku hun ka mang ile tam milaklo mang si sim sabai tu jine kala I would like to acknowledge my gratefulness to Sir Demjan Along. He is the a minister from Nagaland for higher education and tribal affairs minister. He was here yesterday for 3 hours in the traffic. We were stuck. But due to the cancellation of the event, he left this morning. And he was accompanied by Miss Tia Tutu. Just could you kindly once again stand up? All the way from Mokokchung, she wanted to be with us. So I would like to acknowledge, because this is, and I would like to send this message, what Sir Temchen has said, that he was not here for a contest, but he was here to meet his people, our people as a Naga. And we really find a Nagaland minister, a politician visiting us from the southern Nagas. So that was his commitment, but due to the circumstances that are out of our control, things could not happen as per our way, but he's coming back again. That's what he promised, and I would like to convey my gratefulness through to Sir Temchen as well. And aju contestant ko tong rajang hainu tong lini share atum majang sa hi aremane itum arui audition we na pokla atum na corporate sala na sami khwan ni share kateji imang libre I wi team ning sola ga I shishim ko chung jang ka na tong lini share. Despite of all this unexpected disturbances, we made it. Now we're waiting for the final result. All the best. Thank you. By the way, let's give a big applause to our host, Sorintan Hore.
All right. Just before we declare the results of Miss Repay 2022, Atom Mingai 2019 Miss Lee. Miss Ramsopi T. Shimre, Miss RKL 2019 itu apa ni rangu rumi dale. Jena ali Atom Mingai dale, anak kau shock milo stage li. Yaruina welcome sakwise. Music. Thank you, Ms. Ramsopi Team Shire. It's an honor for us to have you here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have the result here. Miss Rupay 2022 we result ready saire mang na ngai layari. All right, just before I declare it, let us all welcome once again the top 5 contestants of Miss Rupay 2022. Okay, here are the top 5 contestants, these beautiful ladies. They have done their best, they have done well, and I'm sure we are all happy and wanted to be here. First round and hapoka, final round the perform all right, out of this top 5, sorry, okay. The videographer or photographer pingna. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, other result you pangli lately in a vouchok mirror. Firstly, second runners up in a how poxe. Second runners up with contestant number in a vouchok mirror and a mangali shok milo. Kala he price mikavai. Queer somipam vashum RKL presidently request sangaye. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you have any guesses on your mind? Second runners up ikipano kuim Rauli. Contestant number kya kam rao? Nervous umse. Tuk 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 jish harad lahi. All right. Second runners up goes to contestant number 17. RKL President Somipam Bashum Nana Kaya Kashena prizes me he ka award Mimi Holo. Ladies and gentlemen, the second runners-up of Miss Rupay 2022, contestant number 17. Yes, thank you. All right. Second runners-up Hangmiere are the first runners-up. Contestant number 10, 12, 14, 18. Ashimati Wena, Akakapangwigi Delaye. Any guesses? Kipano Quim Rauli. First runners-up here. Yes? Mushungna naire ashi mati with tuk jidagle iling nugra dagle ne. Nervous at lagare hangshok mi hose. Contestant number 12, the first runners up. Awardee mi kawai kuira moyon mi unkai ex-president Rupay Gitam now longly request sangai delaye.
The moment we have been waiting for. Itumna kasik khang laga, kachot khang laga, rang rai khai atam ji rai re. Miss Rupai 2022. The winner is contestant number 10. Congratulations. Winner Hili. Prize mi kwai chief guest. Kuira sorry so yang yali request hang idle. Nena kakamilo. Give hamper he herbs and mean a sponsor salaga. First runner up, second runner up, color winner li middle he kuirum mimi kapai na middle clay ne and a sponsor sakamine. Zingran foods nala give hamper ngaran mi edele
Ashiga Tumuiwang. Proprietor na Kuikami Reno.
Thank you. Ning shi serere. Ning shi serere. Program we
partake sami group sangai, but one of the most important one left out sak hai left out masak hangi we itum gotonga we made this a success itum rag jang ping sai corona program im pung phang sang na itum gotong wang pang panglan shi ka phek pheo se we have been a very good crowd itum na gotong na mathala in gatom milaga cooperate sa laga program is successful salain kup sangai re itum gotong lig chung ka ning shi ring pai wherever we go whatever we do itum ek tha khamatha achai re sa chi theise gi request sangai kala personally you shongai na rupai gatom na long ko chung ka ning shi de le how media kala langdang you have been very good host itum lila hekta opportunity khami wang ko chung ka ning shi ring pai achang ya program ring phalai kup sangai ning shi ara itum na kup sang khawai sa da kuirum la yershimung segna la ga shok sami rono kala hi ko ko mushida jingjiroi cv gatom na long we president closing prayer shok samil ga itum saiko rang than khawai sa se yaru saiko rang phang sir se yershimung sek please come out and take your time.
Yershimung sek nang ran man le lega az ishili rang rum mi khai kunduk wak ba mai da magathai itum Tangkur Miyang la long we Vice President Temuso Telunau na le rang room le ana apam buyan aksing ninga milo gapon da hiwak ka shok milo memento na wak shok milo okay. So nish naire pajalong ne rag room kimi wangai na itu mui program is success sana itu kuingai nish naire.
Check. karaokeonline.blogspot.com.
My head grew heavy and my sack grew too. I had to stop for the night. And there she stood in the doorway. I had a mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and show me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, we can find it here. Her mind is Tiffany twisted. She got a Mercedes bound. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She gon' fret how they dance in a courtyard. Sweet summer's rain. some dance to forget. So I call up the captain, please bring me my wine. Say, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those faces are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night, just to head and say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Lady from at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Big Halifax. Mirrors on the ceiling, big champion of nights. And to say, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. And in the master of Denver, they gather for the fifth. Stab it with their silly knife, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find a bridges back to the place I was before. Relax at night, man. We are going to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave. Thank you.
Kupsang khwai sei ha. Chingroi civic tam nalong president ni request sangai lei ana apam li lei ka saya kara sam yaurno. Okay, amalei tu ka how media we ona kuiro rock long leng na khangchang saya sam yaurno.
Okay, idum hiwen mit chong ga hunaka siasos. Ra na lini shere chimik sho hin na khamine. Idum na saran varan mong shung ma bak shung chung leidle re. Ka idum sau khe ra na nei jum le apam atam chimik sho so khami khami man na lini shi shere. Ara idum hi doing thanu gai argel we leadership ni le ra na chung khamai so khami ji da su mi lo. Atung mi mangla rin le atung mi pasar rin le kala atung mi leadership le effective sa khamai leader abang sang sang la ko hos yu bang la ra na lini share ko lang dang ram hi mi ping bang atum na mi yak le kazin mi da itum ni ring pala in gop sang sakhayu bang kala rajang gai dum psycho le chingri ena gaji jaw shim le thanong mi lo da itum li ring khang sa ga ra itum li yang mi shab ra jishu no mi sing da sak sane amen.
Good night everyone. Next, Rupai Gatam along with conference come sports, literary meet and literary and cultural meet li sampang siya should say. Contestants being Gatong on a shock milo, actually the group photo quiz jidlay. Grooming partners being remake up the queer the request adlay.